Hello, good evening, students. Let us try to understand the aromaticity, which is asked by my student. On demand of them, I am preparing this video. Aromaticity. So, what do you mean by aromaticity, students? Let us try to understand. Okay. So, this is the property of. Okay, the property of. Or you can say property in an organic compound. In an organic compound. Of being aromatic. Means, what is meaning of this line, students? There are the organic compounds are there, n number of organic compounds are there, okay, like that open chain, closed chain, benzenite, non-benzenite, homocyclic, heterocyclic. There are n number of compounds are there, but they are saying the property of an organic compound of being aromatic is what is something known as aromaticity. Okay, now what are the that is condition for aromatic compound, condition to be aromatic, condition to be aromatic compound. This is what the important point, aromatic compound. So what are the condition to be aromatic compounds, dear students? The first condition is what? That is compound should be cyclic. Compound, okay, compound should be cyclic. This is the first point. Right, student. Second point, if you talk about student, that is compound, okay, compound should be planar. Compound should be planar. Now third point, let us try to understand, student. Compound should have conjugation. Compound should have conjugation. And the last point, which is most important, dear students, that is compound should follow Huckel rule. Compound should follow Huckel rule. Huckel rule, right? Now student, Huckel rule means what? That is 4n plus 2, 4n plus 2 pi electron, this one. Conjugation means what? If anyone is asking that is what is meaning of conjugation, student, there should be alternate what should be? Either sigma, pi, sigma, or you can say pi, sigma, pi, okay, or sigma, okay, pi, lone pair, or that is you can say pi, sigma, lone pair, or you can say pi, sigma, positive charge, okay, or you can say pi, sigma, negative charge. This should be alternate way, this has to be alternate, whether the sigma, then pi, then sigma, or that is pi, sigma, pi, or it can be sigma, pi, lone pair, or it can be pi, sigma, lone pair, or it can be pi, then sigma, then positive charge, or pi, sigma, negative charge. So this is conjugation. Huckel rule means what? This is the Huckel rule, student, 4n plus 2 pi electron. N means number of benzene ring. This is the number of benzene ring. Okay. So suppose if the ring, if n is equal to 1, n equal to 1, so that is you put out the value 4, n value 1 plus 2, this is the pi electron. So how much is coming, student? That is 6 pi electron. Okay. If n equal to 2, so 4 into 2 plus 2 pi electron, how much is coming, student? 10 pi electron. Okay. Then it can be that is 4 into 3 plus 2 pi electron. So how much is 14 pi electron? Okay. Next one, what condition is the 4 into 4 plus 2 pi electron? So how much is coming, student? 4 4 is 16 to 18 pi electron. So if these conditions are being followed, okay, planar means sp2 hybrid. So if these conditions are being followed, the compound should be what, student? That is aromatic, right? Second condition, second point is there, that is anti-aromatic. Another compound is there, that is what is known as anti-aromatic compound. Anti-aromatic compound, dear students. So let us try to understand, student, what is anti-aromatic compound, students, right? Anti-aromatic compound, student, the condition is what? That is the first condition which comes to be, that is first condition, compound should be cyclic. Compound should be cyclic. This is the point, right? Second condition is compound, okay, should be planar. That is how should be planar. That is the second point. Now if you go for the third point, student, that is you can say compound should have, better you write, should have conjugation. Okay, conjugation same whatever you wrote here student, same conjugation is required, same conjugation. Last point student, fourth point, it has an, or you can say compound should have what is student, 4n pi electron, 4n pi electron. अब now n is equal to what they are saying, that is 1, either 2, 3 or 4. So you can put out the value. So if n is equal to 1, okay, so if n is equal to 1 student, so how much will come, 4 into 1 pi electron, so it is coming, that is 4 pi electron. Okay, acha, now next one is 4 into 2 pi electron is equal to what is 8 pi electron, or 4 into 3 pi electron, it means that is 12 pi electron. So this condition should have to be followed. Here in this case, if benzene ring is 0, so 4 into 0 plus 2, so that is what will come student, pi electron, so it will come, that is 2 pi electron students. Okay, this is the condition. Now you go student non-aromatic. Let us try to understand non-aromatic student, non-aromatic compound. So if you talk about non-aromatic compound student, other than aromatic and anti-aromatic, other than aromatic and entomeric, and all compounds are what student, all compounds are non-aromatic. This is what is the point students. So what we are going to do is, dear students, we are going to solve some of the problem based on it to find out whether the compound is aromatic or anti-aromatic or non-aromatic. So let us try to have a look over the first problem, right students. So students, let us see the first problem. Okay, question number 1, they are asking that is this compound is either, find the nature of compound, and they are saying that is a number option, they are nature of this compound, they have already given this compound. Our a number option, they have said aromatic, right, aromatic. B number, they are saying anti-aromatic, anti-aromatic. C number option, they are saying aromatic, anti-aromatic, and C number they are saying non-aromatic. Okay, and D number option, they are saying none. So let us try to solve students. Okay, solution. So if you are talking about this student, this compound, so here you see double bond, here double bond, here double bond, here double bond. Okay, and the first one is this compound is cyclic, that is okay. Now second point you see, that is this is the planar, because this is also sp2, this is also sp2, this is also sp2, and this is also sp2. So this is planar. Now the third point, let us go cyclic, planar, 2 point over conjugation. If you check the conjugation, what the conjugation you see student, here what is there, pi, sigma, pi, then pi, sigma, pi. So that is conjugation is there. Now let us see the number of pi electron, how much is there, 2 and 2. So that is 4 pi electron. So 4 pi electron, here you see the condition of the 4 pi electron, which one is having, this is the, which one is student, this is the anti-aromatic compound. So this compound will be what, the given compound is, which option is students, option number B is there. So this compound is anti-aromatic compound, right. So this is what is the first things we understood student, that given compound is anti-aromatic compound. Now let us have a look over the one more problem students. Okay, the similar question is there, the same questions will be there, only the options are the same, only the being change is structure. So let us do the same in the same. Here the compound whatever they have given students, this compound is phenol they have given. Okay, here this compound is, this is what is the phenol is given, OH, right? So here is the double bond is there, right? Now dear students, what you will be able to do, dear students, what you will be able to do this. So first one, you see this is the cyclic. So first if you see the phenol, dear students, if you see the phenol, OH group is there. So this is the cyclic, no doubt about it. This is cyclic. This is sp2 student. This is sp2. This is sp2. All carbon are sp2. This is sp2. This is sp2. So that is, it is the, what is there, planar is there. Conjugation is sigma pi sigma. So conjugation is also there. Up now 6 pi electron, 2 to 4 to 6. 6 pi electron is there. So this is what this compound become, all the following the aromatic rule. So that is what this compound is, what student, this is the aromatic compound. This is being what student, aromatic compound. So here if you checking, this is the option number A will be correct option, dear students. Now let us move out the next one, and the same option we have to follow. Okay, find the nature of compound. What is the question is there? A number, what is there student? Find the nature of compound. The question is there saying this is there. Okay, this is, okay, this is lone pair, right? This is. Now A number option they are saying aromatic. B number option they are saying anti-aromatic. Okay, anti-aromatic. C number option is there non-aromatic, and D number option is there none of these, right? So dear students, this compound is cyclic, there is no doubt about it, cyclic. Then you see this compound is planar. Okay, everywhere that is sp2 is there. Third point, conjugation, you see student, conjugation. So that is all is there. Here is what, pi sigma lone pair, pi sigma lone pair, pi sigma pi. So this is conjugation. Now Huckel rule, if you are saying, that is how many electron are there, 2 to 4 to 6, 6 pi electron is there. So that is, this all condition are following. So that is the compound is what is there student, that the compound is aromatic. So our required answer will be what is the correct answer student? Option number A is the correct option, dear students. Now let us have a look over the few more compound, dear students. What we can do, if suppose in the same given compound, dear students, in the given compound, if you are putting some different sign, then you find out what would be the option. Let us have a look, students. This I am erasing. Okay, this is the A number option. Now compound has been changed to this condition, and here is positive charge is mentioned, and here is bond is there. Now see, here is what they are student, sigma though are there. Firstly the cyclic is no problem, cyclic is there. Okay, and it is there no conjugate, no planar, this is non-planar. Why non-planar student? This is sp3, this is sp3. Okay, non-planar, so that is non-planar. So that is, this is also failed out. Okay, either you can say planarity is not there. Third point, if you see conjugation, so conjugation not there, sigma together there, fail. How many pi electron? 2 pi electron. Fourth condition is 2 pi electron. But if these are there student, so this is the condition for a student non-aromatic. This is condition for, that is what student, non-aromatic. So correct option is non-aromatic, option number 3rd is there students, right? So this is what the example which we are doing students. Suppose if you are taking this one example, see here students, this compound is there, here is positive charge, here is positive charge. So now you see this compound is cyclic, this compound is planar is there. Okay, next one you go, this is conjugation student, sigma positive charge sigma. so it is proper conjugation is there, that is okay. Now you see the pi electron, how many pi electron? 2 pi electron, 2 pi electron. So this is following all the rule they are following. So this compound is becoming what student? That is the aromatic. This compound become the what student? That become the aromatic. Now let us try to understand the next point which we have to understand, dear students. Suppose this compound is there, students, and here is positive charge. See, they are asking now cyclic is there, that is okay. Now you see, if they are asking planar, so this compound is not there planar, this is the sp3, so planarity is wrong. Now conjugation, you see, this is the sigma and sigma, so conjugation is not there. So 3, the 2 rule is violating. Pi electron, 2 pi electron are there, but this condition is what is? That is the non-aromatic. This is condition of non-aromatic, student. This condition is of non-aromatic compound, dear students. Now what we are going to understand the next point. Let us try to understand the next point, dear students. What is the next questions? Here if you see, this compound is there, negative charge, this is here. So what we will be able to do? So cyclic is there, that is no problem, this is cyclic. Planar, if you talk about, this is the planar. Conjugation, you see, so sigma lone pair is there, sigma lone pair sigma, conjugation is proper there. This is conjugation. Pi electron 2 to 4 to 6 pi electron, so 6 pi electron there, this condition all satisfying. So this compound is what is there, student? That is the aromatic. Next compound you can see, student, this compound, this. So if you talk about this one, dear students, if you talk about this one, so what will be this compound, student? No conjugate. Firstly, this is the sp3 and sigma. So that is, if cyclic is there, that is okay, this is cyclic. If you talk about planar, so planar is not. Conjugation, if you talk about conjugation, non-conjugation, 2 pi electron, but this is implies that that is non-aromatic. This is not a aromatic compound. Now if suppose you are doing this one, the same compound, if you are putting that is positive charge here, so see, sigma positive sigma, so that is conjugation is there, pi sigma positive, conjugation is there. So cyclic is there, no problem. Conjugation, if you see, that is okay. Planarity, you see, this is the planar. Now pi electron, 2 pi electron, because only one double bond is there. So this is all condition is for following. So this become the what is, student? That become the aromatic. Suppose the same compound you can check out, here you put negative charge, so that is conjugation is there, student, sigma lone pair sigma, pi sigma lone pair, so that is cyclic is there, no problem. Conjugation is there, no problem. Planar is there, okay, sp2 is there, no problem. Now how many pi electron? 2 and 2, that is 4 pi electron is there, and 4 pi electron is implies that what is, student? That is the anti-aromatic. So this compound become what, student? This compound become anti-aromatic compound, right, students? Now let us have a look over some more problem, students. Suppose you are going this problem, students, dear students, this one, and here is the negative charge, okay, or you can say firstly you check the positive charge, okay. So here is sigma and sigma, so cyclic is there, no problem, cyclic is there, that is okay. Planar, if you talk about planar, so there is no planar. Conjugation you talk about, because this is the sp3, so conjugation, no conjugation, okay. Pi electron, you see 2 to 4 pi electron, so these two are what, that is implies that is compound is non-aromatic. This is the non-aromatic, okay, students. Next one, if suppose next, if you are putting that is negative charge here, student, you can put out the negative charge here. So here you see, so dear students, here if you are putting negative charge, so here is, this is the sp3, so no conjugation is there. So simply if no conjugation is there, student, okay, because here sigma is there, no planar is there, no planar, so no conjugation, no planar means what, students? That will be the non-aromatic. This is non-aromatic. Next one, suppose you are putting the positive and negative you see in students. So what we can do here, here you put it out students, that is one side you put the negative charge, here negative lone pair, and here is positive, this is the double bond. So cyclic is there, no problem. Conjugation is there, no problem. Sigma lone pair sigma, sigma positive sigma, so conjugation is there. Planar you see, this is the planar compound. Okay, pi electron 2 to 4 and 2 lone pair, that is 6 pi electron. So this is what this become, this is student, this become the aromatic compound. Okay, so that you have to keep in mind students while solving the problem based on it, right? Now let us have a look over some more problem students. If you try to solve this problem, this compound, let me draw it properly. This not able to draw. Okay students, okay, now it's proper. This is, here is the positive charge is there, this is what the compound. Okay, now we see this compound, every cyclic is there, no problem. Conjugation is there, everywhere conjugation is there. Okay, planar is there, no problem. Pi electron, 6 pi electron, so this compound become what student, that is the aromatic. If suppose this compound, if you are taking the same this compound students, go in the same flow and try to solve this one. Negative charge is put out, here is the same one. So cyclic is there, okay, conjugation is there, okay. Planar, if you talk about the planar, that is okay. Pi electron you see 2 to 4 to 6 and 2 lone pair, so that is 8 pi electron. So 8 pi electron means what? This is what is student, anti-aromatic. 8 pi electron means anti-aromatic. So this is what is the second point students, right? Now the same way you can be able to do n number of problem students. There are so many problems are there that you can be able to solve easily. Here one compound I am taking anthracene. So here you see student, this compound is what, cyclic. Second point you see conjugation is proper, conjugation is there. Okay, next one is there planar. So all are the sp2 hybrid carbon, that is the planar. A pi electron you see 2 to 4 to 6 to 8 to 10. 10 pi electron implies that what student, that is the given compound is what is student, that is the aromatic. Okay, so this is what being student, that is all about the aromaticity, and the remaining will do later on students in the next video part student. Thank you so much for watching friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel.